Over the course of a long career with Hewlett-Packard, Norrie Spahn has made remarkable contributions to the widespread use of laser printing technology. As Vice President and General Manager of the Color LaserJet business for HP's Imaging and Printing Group, she leads a team of over 350 employees in the research, design, and marketing of LaserJet printers.
Beyond her many technical contributions, Norrie is an exceptional business leader. She brings an energy and enthusiasm to the work that's contagious with her people. She's decisive. She's very insightful about the business. She really works to develop her people on her teams, and the combination of those things really create an environment where these teams are delivering much more than they ever thought possible.
As a child growing up, I loved games, all types of games. The bigger, the better, the more I liked them. I went into computer science, mathematics, again, just games in college. Then I went into product development. I still remember the first time my code made a disk drive head slam across that disk drive. I was hooked. I wanted to do product development. Then went into printers, and I do those real little ones, the personal ones, the ones that are sitting on my desk, the ones that are probably in your home and many of my friends' home. I still remember the time I saw one of the printers we developed on the back of a bike in Beijing. It was there I knew that I had made the right career choice.
Norrie's great ability to drive process and technology innovation has enabled us to hit new lower price points with our products, opened up new markets for us, and driven significant revenue growth for our company.
Norrie's approach to product development really does a great job in balancing the market requirements that we have with the business constraints we have, and really sets her apart from other managers at HP.
Norrie has worked actively towards hiring women engineers on her staff.
I think it's quite important that engineering teams be made up of a diverse group of people. I think everyone brings a different perspective. Within my engineering development team, about a quarter of the engineers are women. I think women they see things differently. They interact with printers differently. They touch them differently. I know I hear sounds differently. I think women are important to development teams. They bring a different perspective.
As a mother of 2 children, Norrie is a strong advocate of work-life balance.
When I first started, women had to make a choice between, do I stay home full-time or do I work full-time? And I saw a lot of my friends choose to stay home, and they never came back to the workplace. Now there are a whole bunch of different options that people can choose, and I actively work with my team to say, let's make all those choices available to women. We have a lot of women who are working part-time with young children. I just encourage every woman in my group, look at your choices. Don't decide that you have to quit.
As a mother of a 3-year-old, I greatly appreciate the environment at HP that Norrie has encouraged for work-life balance. I appreciate it because I'm able to be successful in my job as an engineer, as well as be able to spend time with my family at home.
I am deeply honored by this award. I feel like it's a reflection of my passion for work. I have had a lot of managers and mentors who have helped me along the way, and I hope that my legacy is that I am helping others in the same way.